Welcome to this video presentation on policy involvement. In this video, we'll examine policy engagement and advocacy within the context of social work. Before we begin, let's briefly explore what policy advocacy involves. At its core, policy involvement is about engaging in the policy advocacy activities to influence decisions that affect communities and promoting positive social change through active participation. It is essential in fostering community well-being and empowers individuals and groups to take part in shaping policies, advance social justice, and encourage collaboration between citizens and organizations working toward community improvement. Understanding the importance of these forms of engagement is key to driving effective and impactful social work policy advocacy initiatives. Forms of policy involvement engagement. There are many meaningful ways social workers can take part in policy involvement engagement and help drive positive change in their communities. Advocacy and organizing. Direct advocacy and grassroots organizing are crucial strategies that empower communities and promote meaningful change in social policies through active participation and collective action. They employ effective strategies to help influence positive policy change and promote social justice. Engaging in elections. Social work advocates influence policy change at local and national levels. Grassroots efforts mobilize communities to participate in elections effectively, and this engagement in the electoral process fosters stronger, healthier communities. Community-based initiatives strengthens local network and empower social workers to collaborate with community organizations and agencies, fostering stronger networks that address local needs and enhance policy engagement across diverse populations. Policy involvement in social work. Policy involvement is an essential part of the social work profession, enabling social workers to effectively advocate for policy change and improve social justice. Social workers play a vital role in addressing community needs and driving social progress. Through direct action and community engagement, they help shape a more just and equitable society. Social workers can participate in policy advocacy and civic initiatives at various levels of movement, depending on their interests, skills, and the needs of the communities they serve. These levels include, but not limited to, Be informed. Social workers could begin by using the internet to explore what various organizations are doing in the fields of policy and advocacy to help them understand that organization's policy of interest. For example, check out resources from the U.S. House of Representatives, the U.S. Senate, and the National Association of Social Workers, NASW Policy and Advocacy section. Understanding the representatives. Social workers could identify their local, state, and federal representatives to learn about the issues they support, and use your advocacy voice to share your story and influence change. Connect and collaborate. Build relationships with community members, organizations, or agencies that share your goals or mission. Through networking and partnership, you can strengthen collective advocacy efforts and increase your impact. Social workers as leaders in community policy advocacy. Exploring the vital roles and responsibilities of social workers in promoting policy advocacy engagement and social change is essential. Social workers are instrumental in advocating for community needs and driving social progress. They serve as leaders by engaging in policy discussions, mobilizing resources, and fostering community participation to enhance community well-being or public welfare. Measuring impact. Evaluating effectiveness in social workers' engagement in policy practice requires robust methods to assess their effectiveness. However, social workers should be aware of ethical considerations by prioritizing and ensuring all voices are represented and respected throughout the process. Ethical considerations in policy involvement and advocacy. Balancing personal beliefs with professional responsibilities. Ensuring transparency and accountability in actions. Respecting diverse perspectives and fostering inclusivity. Managing conflicts of interest and maintaining integrity. Policy involvement in digital world. To achieve meaningful outcomes in policy engagement, using the right tools is essential. In today's digital age, social workers can leverage technology to promote active participation and effective advocacy. Digital platforms enhance communication, expand outreach, and create new opportunities for collaboration and mobilization. By embracing these tools, social workers can engage more strategically and amplify their impact in policy advocacy initiatives. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in our next video, where we'll explore a topic on policy white papers.